Hello everybody. Welcome to our theme video number 2. You like my surfboard? Yep, because I'm presenting from my home, because that's where I'm working. Alright, so last week we went over theme versus central idea, but today we actually need to start learning something new about theme because we're going to be talking about theme in The Giver. So I'm going to give you a few theme notes before we look at some examples in another video. So for our theme notes, we're going to look at four things that themes will always include. If you want to write a good theme and if you want to get a good grade on your theme assignments that I will be assigning, then make sure that your theme checks off all four of these things when you are writing them. So theme notes, oh, and by the way, there's this really helpful picture over here. I think that's really good. Feel free to pause the video whenever you want and take a look at that picture. I hope this helps you. But the first thing that a theme is a sentence, not just a word. So a theme, a good theme, is always a full sentence and not just a word. So freedom is not a theme, or love, not a theme. Friendship, not a theme. It always has to be a sentence. A theme is, number 2, a significant statement the story is making. So it's not something shallow, it's not something cliche that we hear all the time, but it's a significant statement. It's something that is profound. In the Hunger Games, we have a lot of significant statements about violence that the author's making. Those could be themes. We also have significant statements about relationship that the author's making. Those would be themes, but nothing shallow, nothing on the surface level, and nothing cliche or overused. Alright, number 3 for theme. A theme is always a statement about the deeper meaning of the story. That's where I think this picture helps a lot. So a statement about the deeper meaning. So the plot, this very top level, that's like the very surface level. It's kind of shallow. A plot is like, well, what happens at the beginning, what happens at the middle, and then what happens at the end. The story is kind of like, well, this character interacts with this character, and then this character's mom comes in, and then she gets in trouble, but then they go around the mom, and they do this sneaky thing. That's the story, but that's not the theme. The theme is way here. It's underwater in this picture. It's the deepest level. It kind of connects the plot and the story, but it also has like a message or a statement. So the theme is the deeper meaning. Imagine if you're like trying to get really deep, like you're trying to impress someone that's older, maybe you think they're really smart, you want to talk about themes of like a story or a movie, then you're going to be talking about the deeper meaning of a story. And number 4, maybe most importantly, a theme is always a message we can apply to our own lives. So when I'm writing a theme, and we'll go over some examples, I'm thinking, okay, is it a sentence? Is it a significant statement? Is it deep, or is it about the deeper meaning? And is it something that I can apply to my own life? Because if it's just about the characters in that book, or that movie, or that TV show, then it's not really a theme. But if it's something in the book that I can apply to my own life, or something from that movie that I see in my own world that's a message, well, then that's a theme. Alright, so that's where I'll leave it today. Feel free to pause or rewatch any of this part of the video that you need to, and I will upload a few more videos later giving some example of what a theme is not and what a theme is. I'll see you later.